Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be decorating for a gender reveal party. The theme for the baby shower is teddy bear. Because we don't want to give away the gender of the baby, I'll be using the colors brown, beige, gold, white, taupe, sand, and some other neutral colors. A few days ago, I created some balloon stick centerpieces for the table, so now I'm spraying them using the color bronze. Now I'm doing a pre-setup of the table skate just to see how well the color coordinates. So basically today is preparation day, and by the end of the day I should have a clear understanding of how I'm going to set up on the day of the event. So guys, I'm just basically evaluating and trying to make some analysis and trying to decide what colors to use, because I have a lot of colors to play with. I'm doing balloon centerpieces, so now I'll place the bears in the pots. Then I'll just add some balloons to the top of the stick. I think I might add another bear at the top also. So today is decorating day. I'm setting up the platform for the backdrop. Today is extremely hot and it is extremely windy also. So I know that I have a lot of challenges ahead of me to face. So guys, now I'm doing the balloon garland. I'm adding the garland to the backdrop. So at this moment guys, I have to stop doing the garland because some of the balloons are bursting. I decided to insert some of the fillers in the garland. The fillers are the small tiny balloons just to fill the spaces in the garland, and I have to use glue to apply it. So when I put the glue on the small balloons to place them on the garland, the sun start melting the glue and pop the balloons, so I have to stop. So time was running guys and the balloons were bursting, so we had to get a tent to cover the backdrop. So now I'm adding the balloon fillers. As you can see guys, it's extremely windy today as I stated earlier, so I had to give the garland a break and I'm just working on the dining area. Now I'm creating a small balloon garland for the marquee baby sign. So guys, this is the dining area. So earlier my team and we did the dining area. So I'm just walking around and I'm just trying to do the checks just to ensure that everything is in place. You know, the wind is still blowing and I'm just there trying to monitor everything.